Today we will introduce the material applications of UV Resin 3D printer. First, let's take a look at the UV Resin 3D printer demonstration. PW100 Plow Water-washable resin. Main features: can be washed directly, easy to operate, bio-based, environmentally friendly, high-precision smart surface, no pungent smell. High transparency photopolymer resin PM 200 PMMA. Main features: high transmittance vision, anti-yellowing model, low viscosity, good fluidity, wide range of applications, resin elastic, high elongation and break, good elasticity, tear resistance, tensile, bending and compression, quick rebound, assertive resistance. High temp resin. High temp resin has the characteristics of high hardness, high strength, high modulus, and high precision. DM100. Special dental resin, suitable for 3D printing high-precision dental models. Smooth model surface, good model texture. On100. On100 ortho model resin. Ortho model resin is special dental resin material. The orthodontic model surface are smooth, with high detail reproduction and high molding accuracy. CT100. CT100 custom tray resin. For personalized function tray customization. The model has a smooth surface, high detail reduction, and high precision molding. New product launch Lenses Pro UV Resin 3D printer. New product launch Lenses Pro UV Resin 3D printer.